In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, click on Google. Then tap on All Services. Click on Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Now tap on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current screen lock. Lastly, hit Edit button, click on Delete button next to the Edit one. And confirm your choice in the pop-up by clicking on Delete. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully removed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!